What's up YouTube? In this video is going to be a night POV of the 2024 Tesla Model 3 with the ambient lighting inside. You have a multitude range of colors. You have purple, you got blue, extends all the way to the back as well, so your passengers in the back get to enjoy that feature. You have red, you got white. I think the white makes it look like Tron. Pink, because it's almost your birthday. My wife's birthday is in 2 days. Sunday, Monday, 3 days I guess if you don't count today. Birthday girl, birthday girl. I'll do a birthday vlog for her. And yeah, we have the pink lights for her, and then we have this mint green, which is nice. I just don't know why it lowers whenever you exit out. It's kind of weird. I mean, I guess for the video we'll just leave it, but oh, that's just the spectrum. Oh yeah, now you got a rainbow going on. This is aqua blue for when you feel like going in the ocean. The features of this car are very similar to that of the Model S and the Model X. I think you don't need more than this car. The Model 3, when you're going into the market of Teslas, you don't need more than the Model 3. There's no need for more, because this car has all the features that pretty much the S has, besides the fact that the S has the gauge cluster, has a digital gauge cluster. So does the X. And then I think performance differences. Other than that, you don't really miss out on a lot. And this car is going for $33,000, but you have to remember it's $38,000 cash. They like to include gas savings, so it's a little misleading on the price. But when I exit out, it dims my lights, so I gotta figure out how to fix that. There's a way. It's probably a setting, dimming my lights. Do you think it's this display? Dim. Oh, that's the screen brightness. Where's the... You think you can find it? Because I'm driving. I'm not trying to... And this thing is pretty quick. Ooh!
It's like a roller coaster.
Yeah, it does. It's so quick. Guys, this is the Model 3, so it's the entry-level Tesla. It's just insane. Oh. Why is it dimming the ambient lighting? Oh, we should look it up, huh? It's on, right? But go online and look up, why are my accent lights dimming in Tesla? It's weird. I don't like it dimming. I want the bright ambient. I want it to look like a disco. I should go automatic. I did a more in-depth walkthrough. If you guys want to go check out that video, it did pretty well. It was kind of like a daytime POV and a walkthrough of the Tesla Model 3. But by request, I finally got to do the night POV.
They dim themselves by the design.
But what?
So Tesla made it to like that way.
Really? That's kind of lame. So you don't have control over the light brightness? No, there's a way. Anyhow, for the video, I'm just gonna keep it on the color menu just to keep it up, you know? Because I think this would be the #1 selling point of the Model 3, is the ambient lighting. I think, and if I'm not mistaken, the only other vehicle that Tesla sells with ambient lighting is that Cybertruck. So you only got the Model 3 and the Cybertruck that offer this feature of the nice ambient lighting going around, and it really does enhance the environment of the car. So it does make the car more pleasurable to drive. I think ambient lighting is a huge factor in the ambiance and the feel of driving, right? And then of course you have the transparent roof that goes all the way to the back as well, which is a nice touch.
Where are we going?
Wherever the Tesla takes us. Wherever the roads may take us. We'll take it on the highway more. We'll take it on a more extensive drive for them. That acceleration is just a huge advantage with these cars. You just get yourself out of situations like merge lane. If a lane is merging or a lane is ending, you could just zip by. Guys, comment below what's your favorite color and what color you would make the lights of the Tesla. The neon green is cool. I like that.
I like that.
In my Camaro, I always kept it this color. The neon green. Love it. You're just playing with the colors?
This one's one of my faves.
What is it, aqua blue?
Teal.
Teal. Look at the Tesla buddy. What's the brightest color you think this car has? White. Orange? What the hell? Probably blue, huh? Oh no, the purple is pretty bright.
Yeah.
I like purple a
I
lot.
like that purple a lot. The lavender is so pretty.
Like I said, that acceleration really comes in handy. Blue's nice. It really depends on your mood, right?
Yeah.
Wanna go see a movie? Yeah, look at what movies there are. We'll go check it out. Wish you guys were with us so we could take all of you to the movies with us. Buy out the whole theater and we just all watch a movie. It's a Saturday night. That's probably booked.
Oh yeah.
No point.
Oh yeah, they're all sold out.
Yeah, I figured.
Till 11:25.
Yeah, and who's gonna watch a movie at 11:25?
It's actually halfway.
For 11:25? For what movie?
The scary one.
Watchers?
Yeah.
Oh.
There is a. Let's see, I think it's all taken. There's a 10:25 for Bad Boys.
Nah, it's too late.
I know it's in an hour.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you're new, subscribe for more and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on my future uploads. Drop a comment on what car you guys want to see next and I'll for sure try and get it through. I hope you guys enjoyed this night POV of the 2024 Tesla Model 3. Very nice car, can't complain. The ambient lighting just makes it so much better. And I'll see you guys in the next one.